Another day in C-Bus, I thought that Ferrari was going to be involved. Two tow truck drivers crash while fighting over a Corolla. This is more than just a crash. We're in multiple felony territory here. Proper zipper merge. Once again proving the me first, all about me, I'm the most important, is still wildly prevalent on US roads. Idiot totals my truck by turning right from left lane. 30-plus-year-old truck. Insurance didn't feel like dealing with it, I guess. Gave me $7,000 cash, minus the $500 I used to buy the truck back. Two for one in the school drop-off this morning. World record for getting into the world's slowest accident twice in the fastest amount of time. How to not look or turn while backing up. Bro, why did you park into their car? Lives were almost lost today on I-20 in East Texas. Maybe it's just the camera playing tricks on me, but that could not have been easy to see with the sun right in your eyes like that. I'm glad y'all were able to avoid it. I hope they were caught and didn't hit anybody. I nearly died today, AMA. I really was waiting for you to hydroplane because you were really booking it in that rain, and bam! Here comes that black car out of nowhere. Glad you're okay, OP. Hope that person didn't harm anyone else down the road. Tried not to overreact here. I don't think you overreacted.
Oh my God.
This is a pretty typical response to some idiot running into the back of your car.
Frick! Okay. I don't have time for this.
People parked under a bridge during hailstorm. Today in Virginia. So glad that car didn't overreact. That could have been really bad otherwise.